coffee time. I'm whispering. I probably don't need to whisper. Everybody's fresh strawberries. Yes.
Are we allowed to spearfish in June Lake? I got this for a reason.
This is some blueberries.
Blueberries and raspberries.
And raspberries. How about some snozberries? That looks good. You're gonna spearfish them and then release them?
The kids are all, we're going to spearfish and then release them.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, YouTube. So day number 2 on our trip. Just had breakfast, had coffee. We're gonna break down camp. We're going to make sure we take our trash out of here. Actually, we're not gonna break down camp. Camp will stay the same because we're gonna stay here one more night. Hi! We're gonna stay one more night here in this location, but we're gonna go to June Lake, try to rent some kayaks or paddle boards, spend the day there, enjoy family time, and maybe make some dirty dogs. Dirty dogs is actually something that Bound for Freedom, Mike with Bound for Freedom told me about. Pretty good stuff. So let's lock this place down, clean up, and get out of here.
So, the wife decided that we were going to rent kayaks and paddle boards. Yeah. So we drove all the way over here. We got a parking spot, a good parking spot, and now I'm back over here, or had to drive over here, over to the marina because that's the cheapest place to get them. If you go to the Oak Ridge River by June Lake Beach, they want it by the hour. They don't have a full day price. So by the hour, I can rent this single person kayak for $60 for the day. She wanted paddle boards, so we got 2 paddle boards, and those are $70 a day. Really not too bad. I think over there, over at Oak Ridge and the June Lake Beach, they're probably, I think it's like $30 an hour. So this would be good fun for the kids. Got to wear a life vest, and hell, this isn't bad. Check it out. I mean, this is June Lake. This is paradise. Over my head, right? The clouds are like perfectly lined up where I always have shade. Look at it. Like it just hovers right there. So it's perfectly nice and shady. People are out fishing, people are out boating. Time to paddle, otherwise I'm never gonna get back to camp or to the beach. AJ, do you have a favorite side?
Nope. Not partial.
You got right there.
Just, you know, just a little bacon.
Little bacon.
Bacon burgers. This is a live junk.
What's that?
Doesn't get better than this, buddy.
No, bro, no, not at all.
Don't just tell me, we're gonna be Instagram famous real quick.
So are you like making like a documentary of the trip?
Yeah. So we got bacon hot dogs, bacon for hamburgers. Every YouTuber's nightmare is when their battery dies on their camera.
Let's just say that I missed a good chunk of the day, but I made up for it in an awesome Korean dinner.
Some Korean kalbi there. Oh, is that a ginsu now? So we leave tomorrow to go to Lassen. Just kind of buttoning up everything. Took down the awning. And these Rhino Rack awnings, they're kind of a pain in the butt in comparison to the 23-0 awning. 23-0 awning is just so easy to put away. Hey, did you see a bear? Are you scared? Where'd it go? Where is it? You scared it away. Thanks, Levi. You saved our lives. Good night, everybody. It's time to go to bed. A long day at the lake. Tomorrow, Lassen. The lovely town of Bridgeport still celebrating America. We should stop here and get something to eat.
The 395 is such a beautiful stretch of highway. You travel through so many small towns, pass by so many rivers, and gaze at so many lakes. As we traveled through Reno, Nevada, we saw a dark cloud of smoke off in the distance, a wildfire. Immediately we started to research its location and determined that it would not threaten our course of travel or our destination. The fire was started from lightning strikes and at this time had not threatened any homes or businesses. Our concern quickly turned to smiles as we traveled through the dark plume and was greeted by blue skies.
Hopefully the fire's put out by then.
For what I thought was going to be a very short day, ended up actually being a pretty long day. So it's supposed to be about 5 hours from Mammoth to Lassen, but we stopped at a couple places. We had to just pick up a couple supplies, things that we might have forgotten, things that would make life a little easier. But the place that I found, I actually found it from another YouTuber called One Adventure at a Time. I'll put their link in the description. I just put it show up right here on the screen. And they have a great YouTube. They show a lot of boondocking sites. And so this one's just a little further down the road from where they posted that they camped. But this is it. It's next to the Hat River, or Hat Creek, sorry. We'll go down there and check out the creek. This is their camp. We do have a couple campers that are pretty close, but this is all dispersed camping. Free, all in the Lassen National Forest. Check this out. I wanted to go someplace where the kids could play in the stream, play in some water. The temperatures right now are about 90. Right now, I mean, it's not 90 now. Now it's probably about 80, 80-ish. But not bad, huh? So it'll probably be a good little place to play in the stream at tomorrow, once we're all done hiking. I'm gonna come sit here tomorrow. Let's go check out, see what the water temperature is like. I'd say probably like high
high 60s. Not super chilly. Water's not that cold.
The kids were quick to inform me. It's not cold, huh? They'll dry.
They'll dry.
They'll dry.
But look at the pants. These are 511s. The water just beat up on it. Thought I'd be sly. And yeah, I was just over there. A lot bigger, a little deeper. So that's where I originally crossed, and then went up and up and over that dead log over there. So just be careful. So the water's a little deeper over there, a little wider. What's up, Johnny?
Okay, we'll do pizzas tonight.
Sweet. Doesn't matter what camp you go to, you're always gonna find toilet paper. It's like what? How does toilet paper end up right there? Like, why do people gotta be disgusting?
That's wrong.
Let brother make it.
That's good.
Oh, I think.
This right here is, and we always refer it to as Carol's hipster pizzas, but they're super amazing. Right here is non-bread. We're gonna toast it on one side, and then we're gonna add pesto sauce to it, some soft goat cheese. Was that prosciutto? Pear, and arugula.
Top it at the end with Can you even say it?
Arugula.
Vinegar.
Oh, balsamic vinegar. It sounds super hipster
Okay.
because it really is,
ready?
but it's so good.
There you go.
It's really good.
wide angle lens,
Pretty much.
so nobody's fine.
Another day down. Another trip in the books. So day one of Lassen. Good food, great friends, beautiful location. Just stay tuned for next episode. We're going to go to Lassen Volcanic National Park. Go check out a couple of the different trails. Go all the way to the peak. And actually, I have no clue what else is in store. But until next time, I'll see you on the trail.